Yes, hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you might want to hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of the updates that I'll be sending very soon. Okay, so today I'm here to show you how to link your MetaMask wallet address to the Satoshi Core app. How do we start today? First and foremost, to access all your asset passwords, simply come to this wallet here. You can see this small wallet here. Simply come here, just click on that, and then it's going to bring you here. Alternatively, if you don't want to do that, come to me here, and when you come to me, you simply click on this assets here. You can see this small arrow here, and then it will bring you here. Great. So once you're here, you want to tap on this arrow here that is in front of core, or you can just tap anywhere here. Okay, and then just tap, and when you tap, it's going to bring you here. So here you can see link withdraw address. Okay, so where do you want to get this withdraw address from? You will get it from your MetaMask. Okay, now I strongly recommend that this should be the address that you have been using to do testnet transactions. Should be the same address that you used. Okay, then I want to say that, okay, if you don't know how to add call to MetaMask, here in this video up here, you can watch that video to learn how to add call to MetaMask. Okay, now you are linking the address. Okay, we need to go to MetaMask. When you get to MetaMask, so this is MetaMask, and you would normally have zero core here. Okay, and then you need your public address. This address here is your public address, this address here. So okay, make sure that here up here you have core. Okay, make sure that you have core, you are on the core network. Okay, not the Satoshi chain testnet. Okay, not Ethereum. Make sure you're on core network. Okay, so here you need this address. You can simply tap on this to copy it. Okay, say public address copied. Another way to copy is you can come here and say share my public address. Okay, and then just click copy to clipboard. Okay, that's another way to do it. Another way to do it is just come to receive here. Okay, and then you copy this address here. It's the same thing. Copy the address. Now that you have the address from MetaMask, now go back to your core app, click link withdraw address, and you paste the withdraw address here, and then enter your asset password. Enter your asset password. Of course, I'm not going to show you that. You want to see my asset password? No way. So enter your asset password here. Okay, you know yours. Okay, so once you have put in your address and put in the asset password, click on call link withdraw address, and it's going to bring this up and say, please confirm this address that you have entered. Please make sure you do this carefully. Then you click on confirm, and if all is well, then you're going to get a confirmation message. And this message is going to say that if you do not receive the email, please check whether the email is in trash or spam folder. So you get a verification code, and that verification code you need to enter into this box. All right, so let's go ahead and get our verification code and come and enter into this box. Okay, yes, so we have the verification message here, code. You copy it, and then you head over to the app and input it there. Yes, so we are back in the app now, and then we're going to enter the verification code here and say confirm. Please make sure you are clicking confirm, not resend. Resend is if you do not receive the verification code. Okay, but since you have received the verification code, be very careful. Don't press the resend button. Click on the confirm button, and when you click on the confirm button, this is what you're going to get. Bam! It says I'm not a robot verification. So you start verification. I want to encourage you to read this notice, this important notice here. I want to encourage you to read it. Now, it says that you can link the wallet at most 3 times, okay, before you lock your registration. So in case you put in a wrong address here the first time, you can do it a second time and then a third time. After that, you cannot change the address anymore. Okay, so only 3 tries. Make sure you have made up your mind which MetaMask wallet you want to receive your call. Okay, that's very, very important. Now, the second thing I want you to take note of is that it says, please do not use a core deposit address from any exchanges. Don't go to any of those exchanges to go and put an address, say my Binance wallet or my OKX wallet or my Coinbase wallet. No, please, no, that is not allowed. you must use your MetaMask wallet. So make sure you have MetaMask open. Make sure you use only your MetaMask wallet address. This warning part, it says that the system will only send data to CallDAO twice. Okay, so only 2 times will this initial claiming of the call happen. The first one will happen on February 6th, okay, and the second one will happen on May 15, 2023. So you must have linked your address before May 15, 2023, when call will be airdropping to your wallet. So on those 2 days, you will receive your call in your MetaMask wallet if you have linked your address. Okay, please take note. Now, you are going to claim your call through smart contract. Okay, all the information will come later on, so you don't want to miss it. Make sure you follow my channel. I'm going to explain it in detail. Take note also, however, that you are going to have access to only 25% of the total mined call for now. The remaining 75% will be airdropped every month in a period of 2 years. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If this video has been helpful to you, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you will get all my follow-up updates that I will clearly explain in my future videos. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.